No. Tutanota. Tutamail.com, Tutanota, is one of the most secure email apps I have ever encountered. I will say that much. I will leave it up to you to explore the app. You want to secure the channel that has just been released, like today, the beginning of December, and before it was just test live streams, but it's like the official trailer's out, and it's just basically live streams about places. So I still need to make Okay, so now we're going to clone them by using WhatsApp cloner. The calm after the storm is alive now. The calm after the storm is live now. The calm after the storm is live now. Calm after the storm is live now. Where is it live now? Star glitter. How can it be alive now? It's not alive here. It's not alive there. So where could it be? The storm is live now. My status. Oh, that's how it's live now. Wow. Hello. How are you? iTunes. Okay, so in this video up here, this is another example of DU recorder, but what I was trying to show you is the different version that this DU is. This DU is version 2.1.5, and that has all the attributes, brush tool, customize, personalized watermark, personalized watermark for live streaming. The monetization feature is still the same, where you go up there, check a promotion, you're logged in, you see that you're logged in, but I've been watching them not get that monetizing thing to work for over like 5 or 6 years, so I'm beginning to wonder, is it ever... But then the weird thing is I have another version of DU recorder. This is 1.7, this is 2.1.5. Then I have one that's 1.7.7.3. And after I did 3 videos, it said underneath, do you want to add promo? So I don't know if it was just a glitch in the system, because every time there's always no promotional content, and now they want you give them your YouTube, give them your PayPal account. But the beauty is being able to stream to Twitter now, and RTMP, and multi-Twitch. Facebook is solved. You just log into your Facebook profile and set up the RTMP through the Live Connect button, and then you automatically will be streaming live to your Facebook page, because their Facebook thing is broke down. So WhatsApp is, like a phone number. I can make a call. Let's call somebody. Oh, they have to be a friend, right? So how do you get friends that don't use this app? Let's try the WA dialer. There you go. This is the phone for WhatsApp. I'll try that again. And I have those buttons locked. And I'll show you why. Oh my god, what the fuck is that shit? Hey, why is it getting like this weird area code? Come on now. Oh my god. Anyways, those are those apps that I'm just very impatient at certain things. Like, I have so many projects going on. This page right here is just strictly clones. Two of them are cloning Samsung beta internet browser, and the others are cloning YouTube channels, and then these are just the two kind of go-to clone apps, 2 accounts, and super clone on the bottom there on the right. And here I have a folder that is actually like either be considered the private or the backup account, where I clone voice. I did Google Voice, Text Plus, Reddit, Vivaldi, D Recorder, and they didn't really work, but I was able to keep the fast connects, dual Snapchat, WhatsApp, Facebook, and then I have my Restream dashboard. Just type it in and check the stats, and offline. Okay, so I get, because I'm projecting to Star Glitter. So technically you're not supposed, well, mobile editing has been questionable lately, but let's log into, anyways, okay, let's get on something interesting here. It is a live stream, and I do have an hour or so I might as well just go through, like, it's step by step, not to be too confusing, but back to just, because I'm trying to pound the green thing in for a reason. Like, Hangouts is another AI. Every single thing you see on this page is AI. A new conversation with who? So you have to get, oh my gosh, I have to delete these people. How do I get rid of them? Because these people have been contacting me every fucking day. Just now. It's a total script. It's like a script. It's some kind of bullshit. I want to... How do you delete them? Oh my god. My goodness. So I don't really mess with Hangouts, but I can't clone Google Voice, so got my Messenger, and then I'll show you my group app. Or we should actually just go to the clones. Oh, we can just do a clone right now. Can move these over. we're going to do a clone of Facebook and Messenger 4 more times. So we're going to get this up here. I can even clone Periscope. But this is going to take a while to log into, so let's just go with the flow. Okay, so now I have to look up my password and machine. Close window. Close window. Close window. Okay. So let's see here. Here we go. I'll just got something for the background. Time.
What is the problem scale? So we are listening live. Jeff Bezos song creator voice notes. So it's October 7th. I've been trying to live stream again for like the 4th day in a row. Shitty and not working using Restream, and then like I downloaded like 4 in a different streaming software. So I'm just trying to document because I need to uninstall those apps so I don't forget. Now my 2 desktops, someone's hacking me. I totally know that, or clone each other. Homolabs, no, not Streamlabs. A Screen Live and then Screen something or another. They are 2 different Play Store apps. I'm saying they act like they're from different developers, but there's a map, and since I install those, everything is went to hell. Installed a new app called Visor, and I installed a new app called Screen Share, like a new Samsung Screen Share app, and none of those are 2 working. When I try to install, all of a sudden it was like downloading like off of my computer incorrectly. Animals from Samsung, and I've never had a Samsung tell on me or act weird, and I realize I might not have been able to go live stream on Streamlabs correctly because of those apps were still running in the background. A Power Mirror is an app that I really like, but I'm very skeptical because it's constantly on your desktop, and even when you try to close the app and make it really hard for you, like you have to click a like 40 times before he can get the down app to close. I ain't even changed the startup settings, so it doesn't open and it still opens. Call APK Mirror, but more research on how can I want to mirror all of my devices' prices on one. Now I read it and I found what I was looking for, saying yes, you can screen multiple Androids at one time on your device, and they even show a picture of having 3 different cell phones on an HD monitor. And what happens? Nothing. You can only Android device on the HD, the software on both devices, and has to be plugged in via a USB cable, not Wi-Fi. That's how that happened. I think that Apple's called Visor, or it's the Samsung Smart Share, one of those 2. The issue of the whole remote control desktop thing, so Chrome, and I could even get that to work. What else? AP Power Mirror gets Streamlabs to recognize it, even though it's like it's a device capture. I'm sorry, I window capture, not a media server, so Streamlabs won't recognize it. 3 different Samsungs, and they're all different versions. When I go to cast my screen, like my computer is set up where it actually will recognize, can mirror my Android onto the screen, but I can't mirror desktop onto my Android. But I can do that with AP Mirror, which is very cool. Tablet, not in my little cell phones for Samsungs and LG and Akai. Next tab. So it is 11 volts 2019. That is November 5th, 2019, and we did several things between the hours of 8 and it's now 5:03 a.m. We did a live stream test. We are still using Restream, but we have encountered some errors from the app called Believe. It's called a flyer, and we encountered issues with having like apps unlocked and security issues. So because we use the virtual machine via website called App Flyer, or hold on, let's find out the exact name of the. Okay, so we located the name of the app. It's called App on Fly. Common Pro window apps in 30 seconds. This is a scam and do not use this app. I tested it out. That give you a 30-day trial. So basically you can view your Windows computer on your Android device without having to install virtual emulator like Limbo or something of that nature. But what happened is we plugged in the Android device and we basically the virtual app on Windows copied all of my main storages, file folders and file hierarchy onto the virtual machine on apps on fly and therefore had a copy of my actual Android. Because the nature of this work has been getting so exponential, we are doing multitasking, we are creating new accounts every day, we are testing new apps every day, we're having to uninstall software, we're having to reconfigure security settings, and one of the most important things is the security of the apps. And because now my device has been exposed and because we have... Okay, so it is currently November 6th, 2019, 9:08 a.m. And we just did 2 short videos on the weird free Wi-Fi for 20 minutes connected via nothing, meaning that I have 15 to 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. What does that mean? I don't know. Note: get the internet on Nope Flock Notepad log star promote. Okay, I'm looking at the wrong notes as our old instructions I made a little with just a second ago of some things that we need to take care of that have been sitting in the balance. And by the way, just to document, week while we are away at our destination, we made the mistake of logging onto an app on a Mac computer called App Viewer. I'm sorry, we logged onto a Windows emulator hosted internet company that provides you the ability to log into a Windows 10 desktop environments via your Android device and use Windows on your Android device remotely. They give you a sign-on login via and your email account, and then they give you a fake. So today we did for organic developers. Net and create with art. We didn't analytics and set up property and made Diva. Mars at Gmail. And star glitter 01 at Gmail. Admins, and then we created new properties. We created an organization called the Deluxe Next Viral Glitches, which will be basically my virtual organization. So we did analytics, marketing, cloud, AdSense, signals, optimized nerves, and got a lot accomplished. Learned about looping, how important is to have a blog, having a sidebar, a welcome mat, and a landing page. So and now that I found out WordPress, you can create free websites and host them free. I can create multiple websites with my multiple Gmail accounts and just make them like to page 3 page. I have to go back and track my analytics property and the very refined settings of each of those analytics entities because there's a strict rules. I created PDF split. I've been exhausting myself for days and weeks from the beginning of creating the website Create with Art. To the site Organic Developers. Net in the constant screen recording, the constant YouTube trying to organize, learning about streaming, live casting. All of this is exhausting me to point of no return. So I've been downloading, organizing apps. I'm getting more insight on how to use other YouTube channels as tutorials. So we got secret videos, which will be tips and tricks tutorials on apps. And then we got Play Google Reviews is a YouTube channel to be starting to develop that, so that's exciting. And then we got Caught on Live Tape. I got Hose in the Hood. We got Star Glitter 01. We got some City Masters. Have a custom URL for Star Glitter 01 at Gmail. And also, honestly, I can't even think anymore. I'm so exhausted. I can't sleep. I can't think. I'm overtired. I'm underactive. No energy. At least I'm finally eating again, but things are good. Like I have a very positive outlook. I never get bored. It's a constant challenge. It's a good challenge for the brain. So it's been an interesting journey from August of 2019 to now October 1st, 2019. But I really don't like Google Chrome. I really don't like Google Chrome. I try to use Vivaldi and always seem to have problems. Couldn't verify my account. Can verify my login, but Vivaldi browser is so rich and has so much customization and so well on design, just feature rich, and I would like to do a tutorial on Vivaldi.
Where is it? Hello? Come on. What's going on? Oh, it crashed. Not so hot. Not so hot. But my phone is running a bit way too many apps. Let's give it another go. Icon Creator. I think I like this app. Now, why is it not letting me select that picture? I don't get it. Okay, that's a third app crash. Let's try it again. It's only version 1.2.0. They're onto a good idea. I'm not gonna give up just yet. Let's try it again. Maybe I have to choose a different picture. I mean, it's a nice interface. Besides the ads. Tap to change the label. I'll just maybe not do an emoji there. Now, there's no reason why it should not pick up that picture. Okay? We'll pause. Okay, let me select a different picture. Maybe it's because I was selecting it from the gallery, and sometimes the gallery, you can't easily grab your photos. Gallery is weird. It used to be so much better. Not bad, guys. I'm definitely going to give them a 5-star on Play Store reviews. So let's see what it looks like on the desktop, how big it is. Where is it? Hello? Where's my new go? Okay, now hopefully I can find it. Damn! 97 messages from Facebook. That's not the greatest. This app rocks. I am going to review it right now on Play Store. Whoops, see, that's not what I meant to do. You guys like it? I think it's a good one. It's a new one. I gotta start uploading these reviews like systematically. I've just been like prepping this channel for so long. I have not been doing sequenced reviews daily because I've just been like building up my network, and it's just like not working. Okay, so we can just remove that guy, right? And then bam, there we go. Not bad, guys. And you see, what I'm doing with my phone apps is I'm relabeling with them with a number on the outside. So now I'm going to forget which app is which. That's why I make the APKs, but this is a very cool little app. So I definitely recommend it. Icon Creator, you guys. It's not a whole lot of fancy stuff, but it does the job. Oh, yeah. Can't play a movie while we're streaming live. I feel so keep on walking with my boots. I don't even care. As long as my bed comes walking down. We are still streaming, and I forgot about that. That's okay, that's where it's at. Lit is screen mirror. Smart view. Do we have smart view? I would have to do the mirroring app. The mirroring app. So this app right here is really good. The screen mirror. And what you do is you get the other device and you go and type in a browser screen mirroring app, and it's that simple. I don't see any movement. Hello? Okay, so now in the browser I type screen mirroring app. No, it's just called screen mirror app, not screen mirroring app. 1 second, let me pause. Okay, so what we did is we got the screen mirroring app, and now we're going to be streaming. Let's see here. Are we still live? Are we still live? Are we still live? I don't hear no sound. Where are we streaming to? Live now, the storm, corner after the storm. But it's still not showing you what's on my screen. Okay, so I gotta check the stream health. So the stream health is not doing so great, and that is concerning to me. So we have to fix that.